Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Couple. Today we are trying something a little bit different. We wanted to take you along to a few different Dollar Trees that we went to, show you some of the new finds that we found for fall, and also some of the common items we like to use while crafting. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's jump in and get started.
I am so excited to be at Dollar Tree today. We have found the most beautiful pumpkins. I am so excited that Dollar Tree finally has rolled out all of this fall decor. I cannot believe the selection they have this year. I feel like it changed a lot from last year. Especially the pumpkins this year. I cannot believe the different variety that they have. There are knit pumpkins, there are faux leather pumpkins, there are little plastic pumpkins. Pretty much any pumpkin you can think of, Dollar Tree carries it. If your stores haven't quite rolled it out, I did talk to someone that works there and they said that it will be really soon. Hopefully we get Halloween stuff this weekend and we are so excited to start doing some Halloween crafts. I would love if you guys had ideas in the comments of what you guys are doing with this fall decor this year and Halloween decor. These, I believe, are new this year. I personally haven't ever seen them, and I feel like they would be perfect for centerpieces or wreaths. I think that's what that stick is used for. And then they have these faux leather decor pieces. So there's these like thankful and blessed ones, and then there's also these leaves, and then they have pumpkins that are the same faux leather, which I think is really cool and just different. Let me know in the comments below if your stores have gotten in some fall decor or even Halloween decor. I would love to know what you guys are going to do. I feel like I want to buy all of this stuff, but then I don't want to just hoard it and not do anything with it. So I really would love a lot of ideas. Also, we are on Instagram and TikTok and Pinterest, and you can message us on any of those platforms and kind of send us your ideas. This autumn tin right here, that is like the envelope, it is way more sturdy than I was expecting. I have noticed that things are a little bit better quality now that they moved the price up to $125, and I personally am willing to pay a little bit more for more quality type of products. These pumpkins down here were kind of like a rope, kind of like a jute or twine kind of feel, and they were a lot different than I've seen, and I love the texture of them. They would pair really well with the little pumpkins or like the velvety ones that we saw a little bit ago. And then there's those cute leather pumpkins. They are so fun to have around. Plus, I do love that they are super kid friendly. We have 3 under 7 and pretty much everything breaks, and so I love having stuff that can be on the shelf and I don't have to worry about it breaking. I have never seen these either, but they are the cutest mushrooms. It looks like at my store it comes in 3 different colors, and I love how these are. If I was a fancy person, I would have these personalized little table name plate things for Thanksgiving. I am not fancy enough for that, but I think those are so cute and they would look perfect around the table. And then there's these other big velvet ones, and I love that. And I promise I did put that plastic piece back. It came off when I was pulling it out. This is something that I see every year. They do have a ton of kids crafts, which are perfect for my kids. I love that they have these for all of the different holidays. And this is our selection for Halloween so far. I am, of course, just sad that they don't have it out quite yet, but I'm so excited to see what they come out with. These are also new this year, these Grateful and Blessed. I love that they're kind of getting away from like super dark reds and glitter, and they're doing a little bit more neutral colors. I thought this sign was wood at first, but that is totally something that you would see at Hobby Lobby for like $25, and it is only $1.25 here. This table mat is so cute. This is about as fancy as I would get, but I love this. I love the style. I love the colors, and I kind of wish it was bigger to have as a doormat. I think that would be such a cute style. And then, of course, just like Dollar Tree always has, a ton of beautiful flowers.
Of course, whenever we go to Dollar Tree, we have to check out the wood selection. Now, this store happens to have a ton of different options when it comes to wood. Now, we used to always look for the dowels. There's the 6-inch and the 12-inch. I haven't seen those for a long time, so I'm assuming they don't sell them anymore. Let us know in the comments, though, if you've seen those at any stores, because that was always something that we love to work with. But one thing that we look for now are the bigger wooden planks. So as I showed you just a minute ago, that square piece or even these crates. So they have this sign here or the 2 different sizes of the wooden crates. Those are perfect for creating planters and tabletop decor. But some of these bigger pieces like you see here, these would be perfect for frames or even like trays. There's a ton of different things that you can do here. These big wooden pieces here, we've used those for wooden planters. But there is a ton that you can do with these. And the little animals too, we would often get for our kids so they could paint those. We haven't used the fabric a lot, but there are a ton of different options, a lot of colors, a lot of designs. I picked up a couple of the white pieces. I'm going to use those to cover the inside of a basket that I'm going to make for an upcoming craft. So that's perfect if you want to use like black or white to keep a really neutral color and use to line like a basket DIY. Another item we use a lot are these boxes. Now they have the gift boxes and the craft boxes that come in a circle or a square shape. And these are perfect when you're trying to create something a little bit bigger. They have some smaller ones and bigger ones. And Christmas time, they even had bigger than these. It was kind of a rectangle size. We use these a lot when we're making planters and lanterns, but they can be used for a lot of different things. So we try to keep those on hand. It seems like they're always trying to come out with more of these metal pieces, and I think they're perfect, especially if you're into that farmhouse design. You could easily distress those for that look. This store had a ton of different options for vinyl with a lot of designs that are absolutely beautiful. The one thing that I love that we found was the faux leather pieces. Now we've been able to find the faux ribbon, but these are the actual bigger pieces that would be perfect for handles. We like to use these leather pieces when we're making baskets and to create the handles, but there's a lot that you could do. You could even make like a leather sign, and I was super excited when we found this. We had to definitely pick up a few of those. One thing to keep in mind too, when you guys are looking at these pieces, like this is a mirror. This could be used for a lot of different things. It doesn't have to necessarily be used for what it is. Like this macrame photo hanger, you could do that, but it gives you a great base to create something else. If you wanted to add to that macrame and create like a plant hanger, whatever it might be. Same with this one. This is like a toilet paper hanger, but use those items as a base and then create something bigger or better. This was an awesome trip for us. They had a ton of the new little tabletop items. This little candle holder I think would be perfect if you wanted to do a candle, but also like a little succulent holder would be awesome. You could spray paint it a different color if you wanted to. Same thing with this vase. A lot of things you just have to think, okay, this is a great base item, but what can I do different now? How can I add more to this? And we definitely don't want you guys to get discouraged. This is one of our best Dollar Trees that we have in the area, and it has a ton of different things. Most of the things that you're seeing here, we didn't see at any other Dollar Trees that we went to, and we went to quite a few of them today. So just keep that in mind. They're not all going to be great, but this happens to be a really good store for us. I thought these little tin buckets were super cute. The white with the black rim, perfect for that farmhouse look, but you could easily paint this differently, add some texture and make it more modern if that's your style. And for example, this store had a lot of these little tabletop decor pieces and a lot of the new stuff. However, it didn't have any of the fall decor, so we had to go to a couple different stores. We actually only found, I think, 1 or 2 stores that had a decent selection for fall. No Halloween at all at any of our stores. I have seen some people posting about Halloween, so let us know too if you guys have seen Halloween or if you've heard when that's coming out. We heard maybe the end of this week our stores would have that, but we're super excited to start fall and Halloween. I would also like to know what you guys look for the most when you go to Dollar Tree. If there's a certain item that's kind of your go-to that you always try to keep on hand, or if there's something new that you're looking for and you haven't found, let us know in the comments, and we'd love to see if we can try and find that and show you guys what we can do with some of those items. Now these buckets were at a separate store from the previous white one that we saw, but I thought it was cool that they had the 3 different colors and that white one. I know usually they have those metal ones, but I think it's really neat that they're coming out with some different colors. The last little part here are hooks. We're always looking for them. They can get pretty expensive if you're looking at some of these local places, but $1.25 for these, especially for the normal ones that you see down here for 2 of them, a fantastic price. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is kind of our first shop with us video. If you like it, let us know in the comments and let us know if there are other stores that you would like to see us go to. And as always guys, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.